What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Thank you for coming back to the channel. I know what you guys are here to see. You can see that I'm outdoors. It's finally beautiful out here. I was doing a little fishing this morning. No luck. I did lose a really good one this morning about an hour ago. But anyway, enough of that. You guys are here for that July Monster Bass Lunker Hunt Takeover. And guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because I got a giveaway where I'm going to give you this box. But anyway, guys, if you guys don't know what Monster Bass is a subscription-based box. Based on your region, you're going to get top pros in the industry that are going to pick baits that are going to be based on your region. So northeast, like I am, that's what these baits are going to be based on. I'll put a link down below where you can save yourself $15 off your first box. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get inside this box. All right, first things first, let's see if they got a little book in here. They do. Oh man, there's a lot of stuff in this box. Lunker Hunt, this is their premier fishing products. This is like a little catalog. It's going to talk about bags that they got, the infamous Phantom Spider that won ICAST last year, I believe it was. And it's going to show all different kind of baits, and if you guys want to pause that, you guys can go ahead and do that. All right, let's get into the baits. First thing we got is, this is the Lunker Hunt Descend series. This is a fluke style bait. This comes with the, this is the ghillie color, so it's more like a pumpkin watermelon color. And that's going to come with 4/0 hooks. So what's nice about Lunker Hunt is you can take this package, go out to your body of water, rig it up, and you're good to go. All right, next thing we got is top water. We have the Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug. This is in the water bug color. This is basically like a little cicada slash jitterbug. I've never used one of these before. I know some guys that have caught fish on them and they say they like them. But yeah, that's the top water. So you're going to work that just like a frog, just like a jitterbug. I don't know if you reel it in and it goes side to side. Next thing we go, and we're going to go quick through this box because I do not want to be here rambling on. So next thing we got is the Lunker Hunt Poppin' Frog. This is one of their baits that you find everywhere in retail stores. This is the bluegill color. It's got that dark gray top with spots, white belly and that blue throat, and the red mouth. So good top water bait there. Next thing we got is the Lunker Hunt Impact Series Jolt. Now actually, out of all the baits that are in here, this is the one I think is really sweet. I didn't know Lunker Hunt made crankbaits, so it's something I'm going to look into in the future. But this is the Jolt 2.5 foot. Wow, I totally forgot what I wanted to say. It's so beautiful out there. Anyway, this is their floating crankbait. This is going to go 2.5 feet. It's 1/3 ounce, and that's going to be their little square bill. That's what I wanted to say, square bill. Whew, it's so beautiful out here. You're going to get that Lunker Hunt sticker. You're also going to get some, this is their Lunker sticks. This is a green pumpkin. They say leech, but it's more like a green pumpkin with black flake. You're getting a full 10 pack. That's the 5-inch, so you can rig these Texas rig, wacky worm, anything like that. What else do we got in here? We got a pack of Daiichi hooks. One thing that's cool about Monster Bass is they're not gonna, you can actually get this box from your mail box, put it in your car, go to the water, and you can fish. All these baits are ready to go. And they're gonna give you a sample pack of Daiichi hooks. You're gonna get some worm hooks, 2 different sizes. I'm not sure what they are. And you're gonna get a wide gap hook so you can use it for, you know, the lunker logs, these swim baits that I'm about to show you. This is the Sassy Shad swim bento. I've never used these before. They're actually really sweet looking. Probably great on a swim bait, like a chatter bait, or on a swim jig. And last but not least, we have what we all came here to see, and that's the Phantom Spider. This bait was ICAST 2019, excuse me, soft bait lure winner. This is the Fang color. I know a lot of guys that have used this bait and they do really well with it. They're flipping it around docks, they're throwing it around trees, stuff that has like overhanging branches in the water where it shows where a spider could be hanging out, doing its thing, fell into the water, and boom, the fish is going to eat it. So anyway, guys, to the giveaway. I am going to give away this box to you guys and one of you lucky winners. It's going to be really simple. You're going to go, and I want you to make sure you're a subscriber. Make sure you're following me here on YouTube. Give me a thumbs up for the video. I also am going to put a link in my Instagram channel. What you need to do in there is basically follow the rules on the post. Anyway, guys, I'm going to give this box away. I think I'm going to let it run 7 days from today, so it'll be next Saturday. I'll do the giveaway when I'm off from work. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for the support. I want to thank you for the love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and hit that notification button so you know when I put out a new video. I didn't film too much today while I was fishing, but it was pretty slow. The wind's starting to pick up. It's starting to get really muggy out here. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for letting me be in your lives, and we're going to make this channel grow. Next year is going to be a blast with the tournament season. I plan on doing a lot of videos based on that too, as a co-angler, to let you know if you're something you're looking to get into as well. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Thumbs up, and I love you guys.